Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into a RAM upgrade that could breathe new life into your Dell Vostro laptop. Specifically, we're looking at the ATEC 32GB kit designed for the Vostro 5401, 5402, 5410, 5501, 5502, and 5515 models. If you've been experiencing sluggish performance, especially when multitasking or running demanding applications, more RAM is often the answer. This kit from ATEC offers a significant boost, taking you up to 32 gigabytes of DDR4 memory. It comes as two 16GB modules, operating at a speed of 3,200 MHz, which is the sweet spot for many modern laptops. The modules are SODIMM, which is the standard form factor for laptops, and they're non-ECC unbuffered, running at the standard 1.2V. This ensures compatibility and efficient power consumption. ATEC has designed these to meet JEDEC DDR4 standards, so you know you're getting a reliable product. One of the best things about this upgrade is how easy it is to install. ATEC designed it for quick and easy install at home. No expertise required. Simply refer to your system's manual for seating and channel guidelines. ATEC puts these memory modules through rigorous testing to ensure reliability. Plus, it's backed by ATEC's limited lifetime warranty, which gives peace of mind. They also have a tech team available to help before and after your purchase. So, if you're looking to improve the performance of your Dell Vostro, this ATEC 32GB kit is definitely worth considering. It's a simple and effective way to boost your laptop's capabilities and extend its lifespan.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.